Intuition and reality go hand in hand. In late 2024, we had made a range of intuitive predictions about what would happen this year. One of the things we had focused on was earthquakes and volcanic activity. We predicted there would be a rise in earthquakes, specifying a range about 3 to 5% over the earlier year. And that already seems to have come true. But not just that, we specified precise places where the earthquakes or volcanic activity would happen. And reality and intuition seem to be going in consonance. For example, there was a huge 8.4 magnitude earthquake and tsunami at the Kamchatka Peninsula in Russia. It sent tsunami waves to many parts of the world. Now, the fact that intuition can sense events years ahead can be scary to some, but to our mind, it really is empowering, for it means that we are connected in ways to the cosmos that is magnificent and magical. And so if we can foresee things, we can change and nudge them away too. How, you may ask? Well, we have given a range of methods, especially one, a mantra that calms both humans and nature down called Sashami Devadhara. But alternately, you can choose whatever prayer or meditation or ritual is closest to you. We're all connected to the universe. We're all children of the divine. You are in conversation with Tarun and Celia Cherian, spiritual visionaries who for the last 5 decades have explored the cosmic and given the world gifts like Devadhara healing.